Hi everyone, so I'm back again today with another video. This time I'm showing you guys my Christmas nails. I know I'm a little bit late, it is currently the day after Christmas, but you know what, this is the busiest time of year for nail techs, so hopefully you guys can understand. Anyways, let's just get right on into this video. So this is my inspiration. I highly recommend you guys follow her on Instagram. And then this is my final product. I kind of forgot to take video of my nails, so just bear with me. I'm a bit of a mess. Nothing new. I'm gonna use my DIAMI tips. I actually just realized while filming that video that I dropped that box and all the sizes are totally mixed up. So don't be like me. I'm gonna prep the nails with this Apres Gel X Prep. I'm not totally sure if I'm doing it right, so if you have any tips for me in the comments, please let me know. But I did pick this up in my previous video, which was a Black Friday haul, so make sure you watch that. I applied this and the From the Nail base coat, and I do this on every single tip. I don't think I show it in every clip just because it's not really that important and it's kind of boring. I'm gonna go in with this red polish from Tiny. It's also featured in my last video. Actually, mostly everything that I show you in this video is from my Black Friday haul, so make sure you watch that. But I do think I found my new favorite red polish. I mean, just look that it totally covers it, fully opaque in one coat. I'm also gonna fully cure that for 60 seconds. I'm gonna go in with this green from the Nail. It's color gel number 56. It's really beautiful. I'm going to put a little bit on my Presto clear palette. I'm also going to take my Presto liner M brush. Looking back on this now, I do think I should have used a longer liner brush. It just would have made it a little bit easier drawing the diamonds. Essentially what you're going to do is draw diamonds going vertically up the nail and to the side. In between every layer or row of diamonds I make, I do fully cure them after I fill them in, just because I don't want the gel to spread. I want that crisp line work. It looks very complicated, but I promise it really isn't. You can make the diamonds as big or as small as you want, but it'll kind of be easier if you make them a little bit bigger. That way you don't have to draw as many if you're nervous about drawing them. Just kind of take your time and make sure everything is kind of straight and looks pretty proportionate. Mine's a little bit off, I kind of off-centered it, but it really doesn't matter. I would also kind of have a photo reference. It makes it a little bit easier. You could totally do any type of design like this during the holidays or during winter, because everybody's wearing sweaters, everybody's kind of wearing a little bit of plaid. You can play around with the colors and it'll still look really nice. Make sure you connect the diamonds to the side of the nail so it looks better. And once you have the nail fully covered in diamonds, you're just going to want to make sure to cure that. And I'm going to take my Leafgel in 002 Pure White. It's my favorite white of all time. And I'm going to take a thinner liner brush to draw a straight white line across every row. So you're going to draw a thin white line across every diagonal row of green and white checkers. If you follow along in the video, it's a lot easier. I don't feel like I'm explaining it right, but if you just watch me do it, it makes sense. You can cure in between every line if you're scared. You don't have to, but I would recommend doing it just in case, because it's very tedious and it's annoying to go back into and fix. And you're going to do the same thing going in the opposite direction. Make sure that the thickness of the line is relatively the same. And then I'm going to fully cure for 60 seconds. I'm then going to go in with my Gin B IV Fix Gel. I just use it to glue single rhinestones. I'm going to take this Amazon rhinestone kit. I will link it in my bio. And I'm just going to get a little crystal red bow. I'm going to put that on there. And then I'm going to put a little tiny silver crystal in the middle of the bow. And I'm going to fully cure that. And then I'm going to top coat it with a really nice top coat from the nail, or F gel. And I'm going to fully cure that for 60 seconds. And then we're going to move on to the pointer finger, which is super easy. So for the pointer finger, I'm just going to go back in with that same base gel and apply it and fully cure for 60 seconds. Next, I'm going to take this really beautiful Aurora Queen Glitter Gel, AQ039, and I'm going to apply 2 coats of this. This color reminds me of a Christmas tree. It has like a base of green glitter gel with a mix of blue and purple. It's just so pretty. I think a little bit of gold. I love this color. I did one whole hand just this glitter color. I think it's actually currently sold out, so I think a lot of other people thought the same thing. But I'm just gonna apply 2 coats of this and fully cure it. I'm going to go back in with that same top coat I've been using and just apply it a little bit thicker because it is glitter, and make sure it's pretty even. And then I'm going to fully cure that for 60 seconds. For the middle finger, I'm going to go back in with that base gel, cure that. And then I'm going to take the same red we used on the thumb and just go halfway through the nail and do a kind of curved squiggle down towards the tip, and I'm going to fully paint that tip in, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. I'm gonna take a little bit of that Leafgel white color and I'm gonna put it on my palette, and then I'm gonna do a half and half ratio mix with this DIAMI sculpting gel. I love this gel when applying any type of tips, even the Apres. I think they work really well. It's just gonna make the white a little bit puffier, which I kind of want because I want to do a white puffy outline, kind of like a Santa hat, where the clear and the red meet on that nail. I apply it once and then I fully cure it for 60 seconds, and then I apply it a second time just to make it a little bit more puffy, and then I fully cure that for about 2 minutes just to make sure everything's fully cured. Then I am just gonna top coat that and cure it for 60 seconds. For the ring finger, I'm just going to apply that base coat. And I think actually the ring finger might be my favorite nail. I would do like a full set of 10 of just these. I'm going to take another Aurora Queen Glitter Gel, this time in 067, and apply only one coat of this and cure it for 60 seconds. It's like a really nice multicolor light blue glitter, very holographic. I love it. I think I took off my gloves to eat a snack, so don't be like me. If you're working with gel, make sure you keep your gloves on. I'm also going to do a thick coat of the DIAMI sculpting gel. I'm not going to cure it yet because I'm going to place some random little crystals on the nail from this Amazon kit. I actually really like this Amazon crystal kit. It comes with a lot of crystals. I apologize for being out of frame half the time too. I'm still working on that. And then once I have a little bit of the crystals, I'm going to go in with a little gold star stud, which I think is really cute. It's also from Amazon. I'm going to link it down below. I'm going to fully cure this for 2 minutes just to make sure everything's fully secured. And I have to say, I'm wearing these actually, this design on my hand, and I've had it on for over a week, and the crystals they're like cemented in here. And then I'm gonna fully cover the crystals with this top coat, make sure it's all encapsulated and sealed up, and then I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds. For the pinky, we are just gonna base coat this baby and cure that for 60 seconds. And then we're gonna go in with the same F gel green we used before on the thumb, and we're gonna do about 2 coats of that. Make sure you cure in between for 60 seconds. Then I'm gonna kind of do the same thing I did on the middle finger, and I'm just gonna apply it at the cuticle. To me it looks like a little bit of snow, so I'm just gonna apply that at the cuticle. I'm gonna do another layer to make it a little bit more puffy. Once that is fully cured, you're going to take that top coat and apply it pretty generously and make sure to cure for 60 seconds. And there we have the finished look. I'm sorry I didn't take a better video. I was crunched on time. But I think these nails are so cute. They're very festive to me. And I thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think of this video. Let me know if you also have any recommendations for any tutorials you'd like me to see. And I hope everybody has a wonderful new year. Bye guys.